SSH into your Raspberry Pi and enter sudo I to run a login shell with root privileges. Before getting started, update Pi using sudo app update and sudo app upgrade. Now install Pi using curl using the following command. Continue through the prompts until you get to DHCP reservation. Your IP settings will be slightly different, but for now just keep the settings that are offered to you. Choose Wireguard as your installation mode. You can keep using the default port unless you have a need for a different one. I would choose Quad 9 as it's a free and open source DNS provider, but you can use a different one if you'd like. To add a new profile, type the commands PiVPN add. I will write phone as the name of my profile. Now I'll enter the command to generate a QR code. I enter 2 to indicate the QR code for my phone. The QR code will be shown here, and then you'll scan it using your phone. So if you go back to your phone, then tap scan from QR code. At this point, we need to update the config file to allow for IP forwarding. You do this by uncommenting 2 lines of code. Here you can see the 2 uncommented lines of code. At this point, you can go back to your phone and turn on the VPN. A good confirmation is by checking your public IP address. It should match the public IP address of your home network. That'll wrap up this video. Thanks for watching.